Now, one of the downsides of this approach is that if we look at the files that we've downloaded here in the network, and we check out what we've downloaded, you'll see that we downloaded logo.png and also the 2x version. So before we were exploring the Retina.js option, our solution was to just serve a high-resolution image. Sure, it would mean a bigger file for people to download, but it would work fine on lower-resolution displays as well as high-resolution displays. If we go with the Retina option, then anybody with a high-resolution display will end up downloading even more because they're downloading the low-resolution and the high-resolution as well. So as you're weighing your options, if you're trying to figure out which approach to choose, consider what your end users are like. The folks that have low resolution screens are often going to have slower internet. So if we want to prioritize their needs, then Retina.js is a better solution. However, if we think that the bulk of our users are going to have high resolution displays, or we know by looking at our analytics that they actually are, then we may not want to punish them by forcing them to download 2 different images every time that they need one. And in that case, it makes more sense to just serve up high-resolution images and not use Retina.js at all. Okay, so Retina.js was the third of several solutions for dealing with the fact that different people have different screen resolutions. The first was to ignore it. The second was to serve high-resolution images to everybody, and the third is to swap it out depending on whether the user has a high-resolution display using Retina.js.